Hi there, it's time to look at TAO through the Wyckoff lens and see what the whales are doing. If you're new to my session, these are the key items I'll cover during the session. So we'll start with the weekly chart of TAO. Like we talked about last week, the panic over stage has showed up, and currently the bulls are trying to set the trading range top. This is called the automatic rally. It happened over the past roughly 3 to 4 weeks, because this week the bulls are still trying. They're trying to get above the 286 yellow key level. Alright? And as of this moment, the bears, for 2 weeks consecutively, seems to have the upper hand once the price gets above that particular level that I just mentioned. So what to expect is the whales will still continue with the paper hands, diamond hands test, meaning they'll shake out the paper hands, of course, reaping benefits during this testing period until they are ready, or they see narratives that are coming that will be able to support them to push the price to the next distribution, meaning the next peak. Alright? That's what is happening right now. In terms of daily, we already talked about that breakout opportunity. It happened, it confirmed that the trend has changed, and we talked about this as well. It should happen around the 12th of Jan. That happened just a few days back. Alright, because of what I said last time was, if this is really an uptrend line, by the 12th we will know whether that really is the case. If it really is an uptrend, then the bulls should be able to break above the yellow key level and go challenge the green key level of 328. But you see where the confirmation came, right? It got rejected. The next day the bulls tried again, but this time this line becomes resistance, and for the next day it's the same. Then the bears gain the upper hand. One interesting thing you can observe is that this volume bar, this crazy volume bar over here, compared to those across the board, the candlestick, the price spread isn't very wide. The candlestick body is very short compared to what happened on the 7th. That means within this narrow range, the bulls and the bears are exchanging hands very fiercely. It has a higher volume than the 7th, but a much shorter body than the 7th. So the bulls are really striking hard, while the bears trying to sell at around the 286 level. That ended up something like this. And then the next day, the fight continues, but they ended up somewhere like the 15th of Jan close. Alright, today is more or less the same, but it's weekend now, so unless some crazy news comes out, otherwise these short body candles would continue until Monday comes. Okay, Monday, whoever gets up, most early, maybe Australia or Japan, okay, they may start the race again between the bulls and bears. Alright, so that's for TAO. If you're interested to get access to these sessions 2 days earlier than the others, it's time to become a member now.